In the FX market, opening a trade using an online platform is quick and easy, and can be much simpler than opening a trade in other markets. AKFX offers one-click trading on its platforms. If a trader expects the currency pair will rise, then they will click buy, and if they expect the currency pair will fall, then they will click sell. With FX, you can take advantage of both increases and decreases in currency value. However, if the markets move against you, then both of these can be to your disadvantage too. For example, the pound versus the US dollar. The pound is the base currency, so if you bought this pair, then you would at the same time be automatically selling the dollar. If you bought pound dollar and the value of the pair rose to 1.7500, then this means you could exchange $1.75 for every pound. If you were to sell pound dollar and the value of the pair was at 1.6500, this would mean that you could exchange $1.65 for every pound.